Hey guys, I'm having some family over tonight and I wanted to show you what I got done ahead of time, what I did to get my prep on before I have people over tonight. I like to get as much done earlier in the day so that when people are over here, I can be present, no stress, and just be totally happy and chill and ready to enjoy myself with my loved ones. So check this out. So I like to make stuff that's gonna be really easy to reheat just beforehand. So first of all, when it comes to putting out a couple of little gnocchis, I like to have some grapes out, already cleaned and dried and ready to go in a pretty little dish. And then I'll just put that out with some cheese and some like organic gluten-free crackers. So that'll be nice, maybe some nuts. But that, you know, having this ready, the rest of the stuff I just pull out of the pantry. So when it comes to dinner, I really love a Mediterranean salad, and most people really like it. It's a crowd pleaser. But the one thing I don't do is I don't put onions in it, because when people are coming to hang out and chat and be with others, they usually don't want to eat a lot of red onion. So I just cut that out. So I have my mini cucumbers all ready to go, grape tomatoes and pepper. So this is all ready. Right here, already prepped. I also have my olives already cut and ready to go. And the other thing is I already have my Greek dressing. I've told you guys this recipe before. It's really easy. Mostly it's just red wine vinegar, mustard, olive oil, some dried oregano, salt, pepper. It's pretty easy. And some garlic, of course. So, but that's all minced and in here, yummy. And someone coming over tonight is dairy free. So what I'll do is get this all mixed together in the beautiful little dishes, and then I'll just put some chopped feta on the side, and whoever wants can add it. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roast some organic baby potatoes. So these are all scrubbed and washed. All I'm gonna do is chop them in half, and right before I put them in the oven, olive oil, salt, pepper, probably some minced thyme, because I have some fresh thyme in the fridge and I want to use that. But the bulk of this is done. These are prepped. These are ready to go right into the oven. The other thing that I'm going to serve is my fried fish. I already washed and cut all of it down into perfect little friable fillets. So this is all ready to go. So before people come over, I'm going to bread them and fry them. So my kids can eat them for dinner. And then right before we eat dinner, I'm just gonna pop them into the oven, crisp them up, and reheat them. Easy. And also for dessert as well, I'm not that much of a sweet person. And I find that after a beautiful meal, by the time dessert comes around, people just kind of want a little something to nosh on, but not something super big. So for me, because I'm hosting, I want something that's very easy, stress-free. So I already have my strawberries washed, dried as much as possible, and I put them in a little baggie with some paper towel to suck up extra moisture. So right before dessert, I'll just pop these onto a little dish. And then I'm gonna put out some chocolates next to it. That'll be nice. And then these are my favorite gluten-free organic white chocolate chip cookies. So I'm gonna put some of these on a little dish. So this is, a really nice little fun dessert that's basically done and ready. So by the time dessert rolls around, pour a little Prosecco and we got that going. Okay, yay. Let me show you my flowers. So this morning I went out and I got some beautiful tulips, put them in a simple little vase. And by the time we have dinner, look, they're already opening, but they're still nice and firm, so they're perfect. Tulips open really quickly, which is why I like to do them the day of, minimally the day before. And that looks so pretty and bright in springtime. So because it's family, it's super chill, and I'm in a rental, so I don't have a lot of the stuff that I'm used to using, but still get your stuff out and ready so that, again, you are stress-free when your family is here hanging out. So I'll do stuff like this. So the water glasses are already cleaned and ready. I know I'm gonna put my Mediterranean salad in this little pretty dish on the side, fish and potatoes on here. These are for some little sauces I'll put on the side, but again, I want them out and ready to go. And then we're just gonna do some little paper towels as napkins, and just the forks are out. So even just this will save me time and energy, and someone can just grab these and just pop these on the table when food's ready. And I know what my family likes to drink, so I'm going to prep some limes right now for the cocktail. All right, so I got my little slices ready to go in the drinks. And then I have my little wedges to squeeze, my backup lime, and then this is a little just backup squeezer. So again, not that many people, just family, but stuff like this, these little things go a long way. Beautiful, juicy. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon.